हो गया 30 RPM FC
First speed 30 RPM,
FC.
F and C, combination of F and combination of C.
This one is C. This point.
This one is C, this one is F. Okay, locate कर दो इन्होंने F पे.
F. This C.
This is. Once you give the combination of F and C, then you can make RPM 30.
And then start here.
Then start from here. This machine is running on 30 RPM as per combination of F and C.
8 speed EA.
Now we are showing you number 8 speed EA 405 RPM.
Now stop machine.
Now stop the machine.
And
then you change the levers as per combination of
E or A.
E and A.
This one is E.
This is E. Check that arrow. This is on E.
And this one A.
And this arrow is showing on A. Now you can use your speed of 405 RPM. Yeah, look the speed. Yeah, this machine is running on 405 RPM. Now we are showing you the features of forward and reverse.
Then
First you stop the machine.
Stop the machine and reverse forward lever.
Showing in on forward.
Change lever.
Machine running in forward motion. Start machine.
And then
This is forward motion.
and
Now the reverse motion.
this is the reverse.
Stop the machine. Change the lever to reverse. Then start.
And then stop.
Now the motion is changed. This is reverse. Now we are showing you the threading format of as per Whitworth thread and metric thread. First we are doing Whitworth thread. We are showing you a Whitworth thread of a 16 thread. Okay. With the combination of
Lever is on C position.
C position.
And
This will be on 1.
One.
This is 1. This is C.
this is on 1.
And
Change the
change the lever to lead screw. If lead screw is running, then you can make the threading. This is the C thread, 16 thread. Check the levers. This is C position. C. This is 1. This is 1. 1 and 1. Turn the lever to lead screw side for the threading. Now we are showing you the 16 number thread as per the Whitworth chart we show you. This is the threading we are doing. This is the apron. Apron. हाँ जी. This is for cross slide. This is for saddle. ये क्या वास्ते?
threading.
This is for threading. ये marking करना वाली.
Threading.
This is the threading lever. इन्हें use कितना करना?
Up down. Now
If you have to do threading, then you have to engage to lever just like that in the down position. This is neutral and this is engaged. This is engaged now. Thread is going. If you engage this lever, then machine will run automatically.
for threading.
For threading only. Now we are showing you the demonstration of the feed shaft. Threading has been done. And now we are stopping the threading and starting the feed shaft. This is neutral, this is lead screw, this is for a feed shaft.
Now running.
Now see the motion, it is running.
Then
Then for a longitudinal turning, use this lever like that.